We have here question of angles. Now we are given here, if AB is parallel, this is the symbol of parallel, to CD, find the value of P. P is here. Now we are given that AB is parallel to CD. So these two lines are parallel. So when the lines are parallel, there is always relationship of the angles. Now if this one, we have a Z shape here like this. So this is 57 and this is also 57, because when we have this kind of shape, Z shape, then this angle and this angle will be same. These are called alternate angles, right? Alternate angles. So if this is 57, this is also going to be 57. Now we can calculate value of P, because in this triangle, sum of angles add up to 180 degrees. So 57 degree plus 30 degree plus P is equal to 180. So 57 plus 30, 57 plus 30, it is 87 plus P equals to 180. So P is going to be 180 minus 87. Shift this 87 to other side. So 180 minus 87, I have calculated this, it's 93 degrees. So value of P is going to be 93, right?